Number 8, Readonly2. Hey, I'm Philip, and in this video series I'm gonna solve all TypeScript type challenges and walk you through the solutions. Follow along if you wanna learn and become a TypeScript pro. Implement a generic myReadonly2 tk, which takes two type arguments, t and k. K specifies the set of properties that should set to read only. When k is not provided, it should make all properties read only, just like the normal read only. Basically, the union you provide decides which properties are read only. Let's open this up in the editor. As always, first test type. Should be any. First of all, we're gonna constrain the k. K extends key of t, so we only accept keys that are actually part of the object t, and as we can see now we don't get an error here anymore, so that is definitely good. And now we're gonna construct a map type again. We have to do an intersection type, and first of all we're gonna go through the read-only keys. So read-only, key in car, t keys. So now we have half of the object in read-only, I would say. Yeah, read-only title, read-only description. And now we create an intersection with a second map type that does k in exclude key of t and k, and there we do again t key. Okay, that doesn't work apparently. Wait, and if nothing is provided, when k is not provided, it should make all properties read only, just like the normal read only. Okay, that makes it a bit harder. Let's apply what we just learned. We are gonna do key in key of t as key extends k, and then never otherwise key. As the other way, like this, I programmed that it gets not turned to read only, and now we have here half of the object again with read only, and I would do again an intersection with key in key of t as key extends k, then never otherwise key, and this is t key. Okay, like this we have the next one that works. This works because it keeps the existing property modifier. So basically what we just learned in the last challenge, and the only thing we now have to do is I would ask here k extends undefined. So if k does not exist, then we're gonna do a map type where all properties get casted to read only. Read only key in key of t, t of key of t. Okay, and now generic type requires two type arguments. So we have to do here undefined. Does not satisfy the constraint key of t. Okay, we are not really getting better here. Let's check this. I mean, the first one and the last one work. What do we get here? Here we get, okay, this is read-only description. We now get type distribution. It's a really good example to explain type distribution. Why does it not work this way? So here we get now, as a result, we get the type either read-only description and title and completed non-read-only, or read-only title and description and completed non-read-only. And why is that? Because we have here this union, and TypeScript distributes over the union, and we don't want this at this point. So we're gonna wrap our check in data structures. So we're now checking in array with one object, does it extend undefined? Basically checking if k is undefined without getting type distribution, and if that's true, then turn all property keys to read only. If that's false, then turn only the keys that are in the union of k to read only. So we are done with this challenge. All the tests pass, and we're gonna look at solutions. First answer is English. myReadonly2 tk extends key of t equals key of t. That is also smart. Omit tk. This is so much smarter and more elegant. Omit k from t and union pick k from t and turn that into read only. Definitely smart. Also smart to set the default of k to the key of t. Love that. Then we have here a second solution that, why is it not highlighted? Key extends here, also did that. So we can definitely beautify our solution a little bit. Let's do that. So we don't need this check. Make it at least a bit shorter, because now we're just gonna say, okay, the default is key of t. Then we get all keys. That's already much nicer. And now read only key in key of t as key extends k, then key or never. Okay, this is exactly our solution. And then we have here default is key of t, read only p in k, union p in key of t as p extends k never. That's also definitely smart. Key in k k instead of all this. Still works. Also much better. That is the solution. Next one done. If this video was helpful to you, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.